Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by getting devices talking. First, power on the TV and open its YouTube or casting input. Then make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network so they can see one another. Once done, open YouTube on your controller device and sign into the same account if prompted. This simplifies history and subscriptions. Now look for the cast icon in the player or app. That's your gateway to push content to the TV. With the cast icon visible, tap it and select the TV name shown. Once connected, pick the video or playlist you want to scan through. Using your phone or PC, press play and the TV will load the stream. While scanning, use the app scrubber to jump forward or back and adjust quality for smooth playback. If scanning multiple videos, add them to a queue or playlist so you can jump between items quickly without reloading each time. Finish by refining how you scan. Use the scrub bar for fine control or keyboard arrows on a laptop for precise jumps. If playback lags while scanning, lower resolution or switch to a less congested 2.4/5 GHz band and move devices nearer the router to improve signal. If the TV doesn't appear in the device list, close and reopen YouTube on both ends, restart the router if necessary, and reconnect. That fixes most casting issues and gets you back to scanning quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.